Hello audience, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn website product ribbon. It means we can add a specific ribbon label, something attractive design. So it will very useful for the customer to attract and like to buy your product, right? So if we go to shop, and here this is the products in grid view, and if we open, then it open as a product detail page. So we will see how we can add label, uh, product ribbon, something here in attractive. In order we have standard functionality to achieve this. So for that we need to enable the developer mode, I mean, and like the website editor. So I am on website shop page and I have enabled website editor. I go to shop page and click on edit button, and if I click here, then here I click on any product, and you can see here ribbon, right? So here, in order we have standard already some this ribbon to add, like this is attractive. Let's say if your product on sale, so you can add on sale, right? And if I save, and you can see how it looks good. If we open the page, then you can see here also, right? And if we edit again, right, and we can change the position left to right, right? And then we have sold out, for the sold out product, out of stock, and new, right? Also we can define our own ribbon. Let's say only few left, something, and I will set a background as this kind of, and text, and I can choose position something here, and then click on save button. You can see how it looks good. And if you open the product detail page, then it will also visible here. So this is how the product ribbon useful for the website e-commerce, and this is Odoo standard functionality, right? I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you so much.